Hey guys, Misty with Behold Crafty Creations. Today we're going to be making a high-end chic farmhouse Dollar Tree tray. The supplies needed would be a Dollar Tree tray, 3 Dollar Tree candle holders, white chalk paint, any Dollar Tree stones or rocks, 3 tea light candles, and some antique wax. Okay, so here I had painted a silver tray with 2 coats of white chalk paint, and then I used my little it's not hair dryer, little dryer to dry that out. But so I waited about 15 minutes in between each coat, and then I took it to dry any wet spots on. And then I'm going to take some antique wax and I'm going to go around the beaded all the way around the tray to give it that farmhouse chic look. And you just do that until you get it all the way around and how you like it. And farmhouses always look like a little messy, so it's okay if it's messy a little bit. And then we're going to dry it again with the little dryer. And then we're going to take the little candle holders and we're going to place them on the tray. And I had 2 of one kind and 1 of a taller one, so I put that one in the middle. And then you're going to add your stones or rocks, just scatter them around to lay on the tray, just to make them high end. And I used a mixture of stones. Lastly, we're just going to pop in your tea light candles into each one. And voila, you got a beautiful centerpiece or a tray to sit on anywhere you would like. And this is your finished product.